Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna unbox this Xiaomi Electric Shaver S200 that I got it from online. And I will put the affiliate link down below so that if you guys want to buy it, you can click my link. I can get a little bit commission. Disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored by Xiaomi. But Xiaomi, if you guys are looking, please send me some product. You know where to find me, yeah? So I got this in a silver color. There's two color options, gray and silver. I wanted to get the gray one, but it's out of stock, so silver it is. It looks pretty good though. So on the left side, you will see some product image of the S200 electric shaver. Oh, so you can replace the blade, apparently. Very nice. This is how when you put it back. On the right side, water, splash it on top, so it's water resistant. And another angle of the product itself. Okay, looks pretty good. And on the back, you will see six biggest feature that you're gonna get from this electric shaver S200. The first one will be 60 minutes long battery life. Pretty good, but it didn't stated here how long you should charge it. I don't know why they didn't mention about that. Second one, magnetic suction shaving head. That's great. It's easy to take out and put it back. And balance, pressure and speed. Double ring mesh for a clean shave. IPX7 waterproof. This is a bit misguided. You know, there's nothing in this world is waterproof. It should be a water resistant. They should put water resistant instead of waterproof. X means there's no dust resistant. It's only water resistant. I saw it from the online where you can't use the shaver if your shaver is wet. So you need to dry it up before you use. Why cannot you use it when it's a bit wet? I don't know why. Water resistant. So last but not least, smart sensor activation. Interesting. I'll show you once I unbox it. This is the dimension and some spec. So let's unbox it. Unbox from the top. Oh wow. Okay, so you drag it out like this. It's a cardboard holder. Nothing else inside. Yeah, a bit rough. I guess the courier didn't do a pretty good job there. Okay, put it aside. There's a cardboard holder, travel pouch. It feels good. It's like a smooth finish, and then some, okay, a bit rougher texture here, so smooth and rough. And the zip, the zip feels good. And you got the brand name here, Xiaomi. Wow. Okay, take it out. Nothing else there. To the side, looks really good. And what else in the box? I guess this is the cable. Yeah, you have to just destroy the whole thing. Like, why don't you just make it easier to unbox this? You know, you have to destroy it. I want to keep this, also cannot. All right, fine. So USB Type A to USB Type C. How long is the cable? Let me see. I guess it's about like 50 centimeter. Yeah, not of a very long cable, charging cable. And the boring stuff, the user manual in multiple languages. Okay. Or even teach you how to disassemble the whole thing. Okay. You can read it when you are free. I'm not going to read it now. And this is, I believe, warranty notice. Also in multiple languages, Spanish, Arabic, so on. And oh, there's one more thing. Okay. Oh, a brush for you to clean the blade. Right? Not bad. Comes with this brush. Okay, so that's about it. The whole unboxing, all the stuff in the box. This is what comes with, right? So let's take it out. Okay. Oh, feels really smooth and nice. Is this stainless steel aluminum? No, it's plastic. Alright. It looks like aluminum or stainless steel, but it's not. It's plastic feeling. Yeah. And you have this cover. Yeah, it's just a cover. You will lose it definitely. Yeah. I thought it would be like something to attach with, and then you can open it like this. Yeah, Xiaomi should do that. The traveling pouch is a great addition to this electric shaver. Look at that. You can put all your cleaning brush and the cover for USB-C ports, so that it won't go missing like this. Travel around. Pretty nice. Good design. Okay, USB Type-C for charging. And okay, how it activate? There's no button, right? It says smart sensor. So you have to, okay, so push towards to your skin to activate. There's no button here. Not bad. I think I like it. Yeah, one less button makes the design more cleaner. You don't need to worry about accidental start because by you touching it, it won't activate. Only when you push towards hard, then only will start it up. So good design, very smart sensor indeed. Right. So, oh, pretty easy to take it out. Just, wow, super easy because it's magnetic. Oh, so this is how you replace a new blade. Okay, and the blade, I will also put the link down below. I think it's around like 35 ringgit for the first party one. I'm pretty sure you can find some third party, maybe. But if you want the best quality one, get the first party one, like made by Xiaomi. Not much, like it's all the spec, like voltage or something. Okay, let me try to. Alright, so this is how you charge it. This is my power bank, which I did an unboxing and review of this video. The Bowser one. You guys can check that video out also. So, plug it in. Oh, there's a LED light here. So if the LED light is not breathing, like lighting constant on, meaning the electric shaver is fully charged. Right now the LED light is breathing, meaning is the battery level is around 0 to 99%, and when it's blinking continuously, meaning low battery, less than 10%. And if it's blinking 5 times then going off, unable to turn on, meaning it's 0%. So that's how you tell the battery percentage, well, battery status of this Xiaomi Electric Shaver S200. Alright, so that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing and hands-on video. I will do a review video after I'm using this and tell you what do I think about this product. So stay tuned for that video in the future, review video of this electric shaver. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.